what the Quran has to say about the Injil, the Gospel. So Al-Ma'idah 46 ayah, I am discussing now what the Quran has to say about the Injil. In Al-Ma'idah 5 ayah 46. 47? 46. Page number 15. وَقَفَّيْنَا عَلَىٰ آثَارِهِمْ بِعِيسَى ابْنِ مَرْيَمَ مُصَدِّقًا لِمَا بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ مِنَ التَّوْرَاةِ وَآتَيْنَاهُ الْإِنْجِيلَ فِيهِ هُدًى وَنُورٌ وَمُصَدِّقًا لِمَا بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ مِنَ التَّوْرَاةِ وَهُدًى وَمَوْعِظَةً لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. And we made the following over their effects with Isa, Jesus the son of Maryam, Mary, confirming from at-Tawrah the law. That is the hukum, the government of Allah, containing all the governing ayats. That is between his two hands. And we gave him al-Injil, the good news or the gospel. In it is guidance and light. And confirming from at-Tawrah the law. That is between his two hands. And a guidance and a sermon for the muttaqeen, those who guard. Listen, look very carefully. If you look very carefully in this ayah, in Arabic it says, Isa salam, وَقَفَّيْنَا عَلَىٰ أَثَارِهِمْ بِعِيسَى ابْنِ مَرْيَمَ مُصَدِّقًا لِمَا بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ مِنَ التَّوْرَاةِ. We made the following over the effects of Isa, Jesus son of Mary, confirming from at-Tawrah the law. مُصَدِّقًا لِمَا بَيْنَ يَدَيْهِ مِنَ التَّوْرَاةِ. This is that Isa salam confirms from what was from the Tawrah. Right? But if you look downwards, what was given to him in Injil? In it contains guidance and light, and again Musaddiqan lima bayna yadayhi min at-Tawrah is repeated. So here it is referred to Injil. So Injil itself is also confirming what is between his two hands from the Tawrah. So Isa salam came and confirmed what is between his two hands from the Tawrah, and the Injil, what was given to him, the good news that was given to him, was also confirming what is between his two hands from the Tawrah. Injil or gospel or good news becomes further what? First it's constant, it is the faith, the Torah, the Isa salam confirmed from the Torah. Injil also confirmed the Torah. Torah contains the guidance and light. The Injil contains the guidance and light. It's same. But Injil further, Allah says, it is a guidance and a sermon for muttaqeen. وَهُدًى وَمَوْعِظَةً لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. This is the last portion of that ayah. So what we have to understand, listen to me very carefully, any muhkam ayat, any ayat which is a muhkam, which contains the hukum, what is it? It is the Torah. So Isa salam came and recited that ayah. That is a muhkam ayah. So that muhkam ayat or that governing ayat, he confirmed. And that was given to Isa salam, Injil, which is also a sermon of that ayah, of that muhkam ayat. That same very ayat, Torah, means the law. When the law, ayat that contains the Torah, the law, is recited by Isa salam, that confirms what was before it was there, the Torah was there, the law was there. So Isa salam was giving sermon of the Torah, of the law. So it confirms from the Torah, and the sermon that he gave was also confirming from the Torah, and that is Injil, and that is good news. So in other words, good news, gospel, Injil becomes a sermon or a guidance of the Torah. And it is also for those who guard. This muhkam ayah, the Injil is for those who are muttaqeen, those who guard. The ayat ends with muttaqeen. وَهُدًى وَمَوْعِظَةً لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. Maw'idatan lil-muttaqeen. Maw'iza means it is a sermon, it is a guidance. Injil is a guidance, a hidayah. Maw'iza, sermon, lil-muttaqeen, for those who guard. It is not for the Christians. This Injil that I am reciting, it is a hidayah, or it is a maw'iza, sermon of Isa salam for those who guard the muttaqeen. And now further, in continuation, Al-Ma'idah 5:47, وَلْيَحْكُمْ أَهْلُ الْإِنْجِيلِ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فِيهِ وَمَنْ لَمْ يَحْكُمْ بِمَا أَنزَلَ اللَّهُ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْفَاسِقُونَ. And let the Ahl al-Injil, the people of the good news of the gospel, govern with what Allah has revealed in it, and who do not govern with what Allah has revealed, they are fasiqun, they are liberal people. The liberals who do not follow the rules, the governing ayahs. They take the liberty. Fasiqun. Now, so this Allah said, Wal yahkum ahlul injil. So let the ahlul injil, let the people of the injil, bima Allah, govern with what Allah has revealed. People of Injil, who are the people of Injil? No. Those who guard muttaqin, the previous ayah. You see, Muslim, I understand, of course, Muslim, but look at the context of the ayah. The ayah is referred to muttaqin, the people who have taqwa, those who guard their personalities. Allah is referring to, we can say Muslim, I understand that referring, all this is coming to us. But we must see the context of that. It ends with muttaqeen. So Allah is also referring to wal yahkum ahlul injil. Those who guard, they are the muttaqeen. Wal yahkum ahlul injil bima anzalallahu fi wa man lam yahkum bima anzalallahu fa ulaika humul fasiqun. So Allah said, let the ahlul injil, the people of Injil, that means they are the muttaqeen, those who guard, govern with it what Allah has revealed, and who do not govern with what Allah has revealed, they are the fasiqun, those who take the liberty. Means liberty they don't practice.
My question is that in what way Injil is a sermon?
No, I explained to you that first of all, what is the status of Injil? I have explained. Any ayat which is a muhkam ayat, because Injil is also confirming the Torah, the law. The law is the Torah, is the law. Torah is the law. So we have come to know from that ayat that Isa salam was given the Injil, he confirmed from the Torah. And again, Injil was also confirming from the Torah, and it is a guidance and light. But further, Allah said, وَهُدًى وَمَوْعِظَةً لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. So Injil or gospel, the word is there. The gospel or Injil, you can say good news, whatever. But it is a hidayah and a sermon. Like I am reading, I am sermoning to you, I am giving a sermon. Sermon, you understand what a sermon was? Mau'iza. But of what? Of the muhkam ayat, or the governing ayats, or the ahkamat ayat. So whenever the ayats which are governing ayats, a sermon given on them is the Injil. And it is for those who guard, muttaqeen. That is how, you mean how? This is, I am telling you in that lecture how. It is a sermon of those ayats who are muhkam ayat, or the governing ayats. When you give a sermon on that, that is the Injil. But Quran is a confirmation or explanation of the book. Quran is a reading, total reading of the book. But only if you refer to only muhkamat ayat, then it would be Injil.
Thank you.
Okay.